puppy. Today let's learn the names of different vehicles starting with each English alphabet. Vehicles alphabets Part 2. J. J. J for jet ski. Jet ski. K. K. K for kayak. Kayak. F. F. L for locomotive. Locomotive. M. M. M for motorcycle. Motorcycle. N. N. N for Navy aircraft carrier. Navy aircraft carrier. O. O. O for off-road vehicle. Off-road vehicle. P. P. P for plane. Plane. Q. Q. Q for quarry excavator. Quarry excavator. And the last one on our list for the day is the alphabet R. R for ropeway. Ropeway. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of different vehicles. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Puppy.